Brian back here with a look at Fetch. Boy, this thing has been very impressive of lately. It really has. With the last month, this thing is up almost 100%. So it's been doing very well. Every time I get updates on my phone, FET's up 17%. Blah blah blah. Just keeps going and going here. So this thing's been looking great. Over the month, 1.44 billion in FET has been bought down here in volume, so looking great. And we're gonna look at the RSIs here in a minute and see where price could be heading for this thing. Okay, give you some price areas to watch out for. Please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I would appreciate that so very much. If you go over here to the crypto bubbles, look at the last month, and this is what happens when Bitcoin starts moving. Bitcoin is up 30 some percent for the month, which is absolutely huge. Here's the bubbles for the week, and here is for the day. So things are looking great. If we get down here and look up FET, there we go. Number 118, market cap 301 million. 24-hour volume is at 113 million. All right, so that's a third of the market cap right there in volume. That's pretty good. That's what you want to see. For the year, we're up 340%. So nice rally going on there for the crypto market here. I'm expecting Bitcoin to head a little bit higher too. All right, its first target is up at 36,000. So keeping an eye on that. Bitcoin is definitely looking strong. All right, for the month, look at this. We have a RSI heading up. And right down here, we are only at a 56 down here. So this has a long ways to possibly head up yet. The weekly, still heading up also. Okay, down here, we're at a 66. This can go up to 90. This can go up into the 90s down here in the bottom. So 66 is nothing. If you look down through here, the highest this has been before was up at a 91. All right, so got lots of room to head up. But the momentum is pushing upwards. Okay, we got the daily at a 99 to 97, still bullish. We have the 12-hour 95 and a 92, still bullish. The 8-hour is trying to turn back up at a 45 and a 49, and we got the 4-hour at a 30 and a 45. It's in a corrective move here now. Something to pay very close attention to here. Okay, now you can see here, I'm going to draw this out so you can see it. All right, we have this high here, and we have a higher high in price. All right, down here on the RSI, we have this high, and we have a lower high on the RSI. Okay, a little bit of bearish divergence there. So we could possibly be having a little bit of a pullback in the short term. All right, just keep an eye on that. The 4-hour is pulling down. Got a little bit of bearish divergence there, showing a little bit of weakness. So something to be aware of. Okay, now if we go out to the higher time frames, the 8-hour, we have that same thing happening. All right, we have this high on the RSI down here, and we have a lower high on the RSI. Then we have this high, and we have a higher high on price. So we got some bearish divergence on the 8-hour. The 12-hour, we don't have bearish divergence on that. The daily, no bearish divergence. All right, so in the short term here, you could expect a little bit of a pullback. Okay, could possibly even pull down towards that 32 cents. We'll just have to see how much of a pullback we get in this thing. Now, some areas to watch out for as far as when this price heads back up here. All right, first off, we're going to take and put a Fibonacci on this area. Right to here, and pull it down just a hair. There we go. The first target would be up here at just about 44 cents, then 47.5 cents. All right. If we end up breaking through this top one at 51, all right, then we're going to have to move up to the next area and get our price targets from there, which then it could start really getting exciting. All right, because then you're up to 69. To 76 cents. All right, and if we break through the 84, then we're moving up a next level. Okay, right up to there, and then you're looking at 80 cents to 88 cents. All right, so let's just work on this first area first and see if we can take it out. Okay, down here we're going to go right to there. All right, and these work out, and these Fibonacci's work, guys, I'm telling you, right here. All right, the 43 to 47 cents, I would expect us to definitely hit these areas. The question is, will we make it through them or not? So we'll keep an eye on this thing, and I will keep you guys definitely informed. I'm going to highlight this so I don't, so I cover this a little bit more. But definitely watch, watch once it hits that 47.6. All right, if we start getting rejected there, all right, that could be a sign that we're either getting a good pullback or this short-term rally could be over at that point. So we'll keep an eye on it. I will keep you guys informed, and we'll get back to this. So that's your first target. So 43.8 to 47.6. All right, we break through the 51.4, and then we're looking for higher prices. All right, guys, thanks a lot. Please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great night.